Hey guys, welcome back to this channel once more. Cool Coder 990. My name is Shomajite, and today I'm going to be discussing about the top 5 programming languages that you can learn in the late 2018 and the beginning of 2019. So if you are new over here, consider subscribing to this channel. If you are old, hit that like button and don't forget to turning that red button to gray button and also hitting that bell notification icon, so that every time I upload a video you guys get the notification first. So without further delay, let's start this video. Okay, so let's talk about the fifth language that I've chosen. Is actually Ruby. Now Ruby was actually Ruby originated from Japan, and it got popular when they announced Ruby on Rails because they created the hottest framework for websites, web apps, for that stuff. But it's not popular like now, but still many companies do use them, and yeah, that's it. And it's fairly easy to learn. So that's number 5. So the fourth programming language that I've chosen is Swift. So if you don't know what is Swift, let me tell you what is Swift, because it's my favorite language. And so if you have an interest in building iOS apps or the apps for iPhones, companies, those who have app business, does prefer using native apps or using Swift as for their developing the iOS app, because Swift has been launched by Apple only to develop iOS app, and it's fairly simple and very easy language to learn. Personally, I am an iOS developer and I love making iOS apps. The downside of Swift, which I have noticed, is it's actually not cross-platform. In order to create a iOS app, you need to have a Mac. So that's a buggy point according to me. So now it was the fourth programming language. Let's talk about the third language, which is Java. So Java has been the most popular languages till date, and it's used, you can use Java to create a hell lot of things. You can build using Java frameworks, you can actually build a website. You can use Java to create Android apps and other stuff. But the only buggy point about this language is it's actually not easy to learn, and you have to struggle a lot to learn this language. But still, it's a very good programming language if you want to start building Android apps or Java frameworks for websites. It's really good, but it's not the easiest language. So this was the third language. Now let's talk about the second language that I've chosen, which is Python. Now Python, what should I say, it's the most unique and most advanced language in this list, because I think that using Python you can create anything. You can create websites, you can create web apps, you can do machine learning stuff, you can do artificial intelligence stuff just using Python. Python is the most easiest language. If you check this whole list, Python is the most easiest language to learn, easiest language to implement, easiest language to what should I say, it's really easy. Anyone can learn programming using Python. It's so easy. So yeah, if you're looking for to make web apps, web stuff, machine learning, artificial intelligence, go with Python. So this was the second language. Now let's talk about the best language, which is JavaScript. Now why I have chosen JavaScript to be the best language, because JavaScript is not Java. First of all, the difference between a JavaScript and Java is the difference between a car and a carpet, if that makes any sense. And so why JavaScript is at number 1. So let me tell you, what can't you do using JavaScript? You can actually build iOS and Android app using JavaScript by using React Native, which has been developed by Facebook. You can actually make website web frameworks, best frameworks. It's the best language. And first of all, JavaScript is an easy language to learn. Not the easiest, but an easy language to learn. And JavaScript can't do. You can, if you have a knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can actually create web apps, Android and iOS apps using React Native. You can actually look after the backend part of the server. It's so efficient and it's fairly simple and easy to learn them. This was the top language in my list. So now if you're starting programming for the first time, I would recommend you to start with a fairly simple language like C or Python. Now why is that? Because if you learn C and Python, you know how this programming thing works. And if you have the knowledge of loops, structure, class, variables, float variables, integers, everything, you can actually implement those stuff in other programming languages as well, because it's just the language which differs. All the internal part is same, if it makes any sense. So that was the video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you guys are new over here, and yeah, see you guys in my next programming video, or it might be a vlog video, I don't know. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, peace.